Hi children, good morning to everyone. Today we will come to know the lesson 1 textbook exercises. Shall we see the exercises what are there in the textbook? Let us see in the textbook. Hi children, please open the textbook page number 8 and 9. In 8 and 9 we are going to know about the nouns of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. In the lesson, we read many words like stamps, coins, words, bananas, crocodiles, iguanas. Like that, we learned many words. But what are the countable nouns and uncountable nouns? Do you know? If you don't know, I will show you. Please remember. What is this? This is a pencil. And what are these? These are pencils. Can you count the pencils? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pencils are here? 4 pencils. So we can count these pencils. We can count these pencils. So this is a countable noun. Countable noun. Now, what is this? This is a book. Yes or no? This is a book. What are these? These are books. Can you count? 1, 2. Yes. Now, this is a countable noun. This is a countable noun. Now you take your, how many fingers are here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together there are 5 fingers. So can you count the fingers? Yes. So this is a countable noun. So what are these? These are rice. What is this? This rice. So, can you count the rice? No, we cannot count the rice. So, it is uncountable noun. What is this? This is sand. Can you count? No, we could not count sand. Night time, what do you see in the sky? Stars. Can you count those stars? No, we could not count. And take your hand and touch on your head. What are they? Yes, hair. Can you count the hair? No. These are uncountable nouns. Now, let us, in the textbooks they have given uncountable nouns. First they gave countable nouns. Coins. Can you count the coins? Yes, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees we can count. Stamps also we can count. Words. Yes. Crocodiles, bananas, pancakes. These are we can count by fingers by counting 1, 2, 3 like. Whereas here, see, they gave a book, an apple, 2 boys, a dozen puppies. These are countable nouns. These are countable nouns. Here we see grass. Can you count the grass? 1, 2, 3 like that? No. Can you count the sugar? No. Water? No. Paper? No. Oil? No. Juice? No. You may have doubt. Paper may count 1, 2, 3 like. No, we could not count the paper. A sheet of paper we could say. Here they have given the exercise. How to do this exercise? Here they have given 2 columns. Countable noun and uncountable nouns. They gave the box here with the words tea, country, milk, cotton, chair, salt, goat, artist, spoon, cheese. Now separate the countable nouns. Tea. Can you count the tea? No. So then what is this? Yes, uncountable noun. Here you are supposed to write. Countries. Can you count the countries? Yes, it is a countable noun. You could write here. With this you could complete. Here, these are used for uncountable nouns. When there are many, we could say, if you say what is this? Rice. How can you say? If it is in the bag, we say bag of rice, or a packet of rice, a bottle of water, or a cup of sand, a cup of tea, a cup of rice, a cup of sugar. We could say like that. When it is uncountable, we say these things. Here, what is this? A blade of grass, a blade of grass, a cup of tea, a pinch of salt, a pinch of salt, a slip of paper, slips of paper, 2 jars of honey, 3 bottles of water. And here you could complete this Roman also. What is here? A bar of, what will be there? A bar of sugar, milk, ice cream, paper, soup, or chocolate? Yes, chocolate. A spoonful of dash. Yes, sugar. A sheet of. Yes, a glass of. You see these examples in the box and complete this blanks. And complete this, the spellings of the persons and books they were given here. You complete the missing letters. And also your writing skills is write 6 to 8 sentences describing a hobby, a unique hobby of yours. So you maintain these questions. Use these questions as hints. What is the hobby? What is unique about it? Who has this hobby? Why did this person take up the hobby? How much time does he or she spend on his hobby? Write at least 6 to 8 sentences. Dear children, after writing these worksheets also and the homework which I gave you in the textbook, please send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.